Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your Steam profile picture. Now many people have problems with in general customization of their profile on Steam, as it can be quite complicating for a new user. But if that is your issue, you're in the right video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your profile picture alongside with your name if you would like to. To begin, we want to open up our Steam application. Next up, head to the top right where your account is and press on View My Profile. From there, all you have to do is, as you can see, this is your profile. You want to press on Edit Profile. Next up, once you're here, this is your About page. This is some stuff from like 2 years ago, I believe. So afterwards, all you simply have to do is press on the Avatar tab. And here, you can either choose from the avatars here on Steam, or you can add your own profile picture. To add your very own custom one, you want to press on Upload Your Avatar and simply choose a file. So let's say I don't really have anything, so let's say I chose it. From there, you can see what it will look like on each pixel setting. From there, you want to press on Save, and you should be done. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, we'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.